Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ida Michael. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to share with you guys my curly hair routine by diffusing my curls for my wash and go, and also my blowout routine for when I want to flat iron my hair using the TYMO AIRHYPE blow dryer. It comes with an adjustable diffuser, comb attachment, and styling nozzle. And there are various function settings that you'll notice it actually has an ionic function once turned on. And there is actually 4 different type of temperatures and 3 air speed settings. Okay, so this is what my hair is looking like. This is a very old Bantu knot out from when I flat ironed my hair last week. So I'm just actually adding some water into it, and I'm going to turn it into a wash and go before I wash my hair so I can extend my wash day. And so I am using Kaleidoscope. I'm using their leave-in conditioner and their gel, and it's very lightweight because I really want to get a lot of volume with using this diffuser. So this is what my hair looks like after I'm done my wash and go. I love how I still get defined curls and volume in my wash and go even though I'm using lighter products. So the first thing that I noticed about the TYMO AIRHYPE blow dryer is how light the sound was. Usually my blow dryers are really loud, and this one was very silent, which I loved because, you know, sometimes it's just nice to be able to blow dry your hair without it being so loud. And then on top of that, I loved how lightweight the actual hair dryer is as well. Usually the other ones that I had in the past were very bulky and heavy, and it could, you know, be tiring on the hands. So I really loved how lightweight it was. It was very easy and effortless to do my hair. So what I did first was I concentrated on the roots because my hair takes the longest to dry on the roots. And then I went ahead and tried to dry the rest of my hair, and I was holding it really lightly so that my curls didn't get too frizzy, but I loved how soft my hair still felt and moisturized. And I usually feel like my hair gets really dry quickly when I use blow dryers, so I just love like the technology of this blow dryer. It somehow doesn't dry out my hair even though I'm using heat. I'm using the 140 Fahrenheit temperature. I usually let my curls air dry when I do wash and goes, but I wanted to try something different, and I wanted to really incorporate a diffuser into my hair routine these days because I don't want to keep my hair wet for long periods of time as much anymore. And I really want to start playing around with, you know, styling my hair differently, and I noticed that diffusers really help achieve that look. I also noticed that I didn't even really have too much crunch left on my hair. The gel was light, but I also feel like the diffuser also helped with breaking that cast. So I just kind of like lightly took out the rest of it with my hands, just scrunching the ends. And then I kind of just pulled my hair out so that I can get a little bit more length. I really loved how fast it dried my hair as well. Usually my hair takes hours and hours to dry. Even with the blow dryer, it never really gets fully dry, and that's why I kind of try to avoid using blow dryers because, again, it really does dry out my hair. This one, for some reason, it literally took like less than 10 minutes to dry my hair, and I was really surprised because, again, like my hair really takes a really long time to dry, and I loved how it didn't dry out my hair, and it still left the moisture in my hair and still left the curls as well. I love how my hair looks. It has that volume I was looking for with the curl definition. And so I wanted to try something different as well. I wanted to see how my hair would look if I stretched it out with the diffuser attachment as well. And so I just took small sections and I just quickly went through my hair with the diffuser. I kind of even combed it down, but I was more focused on volume rather than curl patterns. So I really just didn't really mind getting a bit more frizz in there while I was stretching out my hair. But I definitely can't wait to just experiment more with the diffuser and different hair products and kind of see all the different hairstyles I can achieve with this. And I'll definitely be sharing that with you guys. So I'm loving the way my hair looks. I'm getting the length plus the volume, which I usually can never achieve both with my hair because I get so much shrinkage usually. I loved how simple and quick and easy it was to dry my hair, stretch out my hair. This usually would have taken me hours to do. But with the TYMO AIRHYPE, it really just took me, I think altogether, really just 20 minutes. And my hair feels very light and bouncy, defined and moisturized. So then I just decided to put my hair up in a bun or a puff, because that's what I usually end up doing anyways. Let me know in the comments if you guys do the same as well. That's why I really want to, play around with the diffuser a little bit more to kind of practice more hairstyles where my hair down. I always end up putting my hair up, and so I love the look anyways, and I just love how you get so much volume on first day hair, and especially with the puff, because I usually wait towards the end of my wash day to wear my hair in a big puff, but I love how you can just do that on the first day as well. So there you have it. This is one of my main go-to hairstyles. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like right before I go ahead and blow dry, and I'm using the TGIN Miracle Repair Leave-In Conditioner just to add in some moisture and a little bit of protein, because I forgot to do a protein treatment, which I highly recommend before blow drying your hair. I'm going to quickly go ahead and detangle and put in a little bit of heat protectant. The first things that I noticed and loved about the comb attachment is that I loved how wide tooth it was, because it was super easy to detangle. I literally barely had any shedded hair, so that was really, really good. It made the whole blow drying process very easy, and I also loved how it did not dry out my hair. I used big sections. Next time I'm going to use smaller sections, because I did notice that you use less heat if you use smaller sections, but I just loved how quick it was, and that you're able to use big sections if you want. And what I did was I kind of slowly went through the hair, and I noticed how well it blow dried my hair when I went through the sections much more slower rather than really fast. And so that's kind of what I did to avoid more heat on my hair. And so like I said, it was such a quick, easy process. I think altogether it took about maybe 20 minutes, which usually beforehand it would take at least 2 hours. Because this technique made it so much easier, I definitely will be blow drying my hair much more often. And because of the ionic technology, it definitely does retain the moisture in your hair. So this is what my hair looks like when I'm done with the blow dry process. My hair is full of volume. It definitely has retained its moisture. I'm just gonna go ahead with some Cheese Silk Infusion just to add a little bit of shine. I'm gonna lightly pass through one more time really quickly just to get a really straight look, because I am gonna go ahead and use TYMO's Airflow to flat iron my hair and add some curls. That is gonna be in the next TYMO video. Stay tuned for those results. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think about the results, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Details will be in the description box below, as well as a discount code. So go ahead and check out their website. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care for now. Bye.